Hello lovelies, this is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spooky googly eye headband that you can wear for Halloween. The cost of this project will be about $3. So let's get started. What you'll need is a black headband. This one I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. Some googly eyes, also from the Dollar Tree. And a pair of scissors. Some type of writing utensil. Some glue, whether you use your glue gun or any type of glue that you prefer. And a foam sheet. This one I had picked up from Michael's with a coupon. It ended up being only about $1 or so, maybe just a smidge over $1. But if you look at it closely, it's got some shimmer glitter in the back and with a little bit of lace. This one, so that when I place the googly eyes over the top, there might be a little bit of a gap in between them, so this will help show some of the pretty shimmer coming through instead of it just being plain. But you pick whatever type of black foam background that you prefer. And also, you'll need this template, this lightning bolt template. This will be available on my website. What you want to do is cut the lightning bolt template out first. Okay, this is the lightning bolt once it's been cut. What you want to do next is trace it on the back of the foam sheet. Okay, once that has been traced, you can go ahead and cut that out, whether you want to use a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife. I'm going to use my pair of scissors. After cutting the template, I realized that what I purchased was not a foam sheet. It was a cardstock, a heavy cardstock, which will work as well because you want something sturdy to put the googly eyes on. But the white was showing, so I went ahead and took a black Sharpie and painted the edges as well as the back side. Just because I don't want any of the white to show up on the headband. Actually, what I'm going to go ahead and do is put glue right onto the headband, and I'm going to mark it about 2 inches from the tip to where I'm going to start. Just want to hold it down so it'll stick. Okay, this is what it looks like once the template has been added onto the headband. What I'm going to go ahead and do is add the googly eye small ones right here to start with, and then interchange it with different variations in sizes throughout. This is what I'm going to start with, and then I'm going to interchange different sizes. Headband. As you can see, it starts out with the small googly eye, alternating to the medium and large sizes, and back to the small again. If you are interested in replicating and making this headband, the template will be available on my website. I also have another video with googly eye mason jar tissue holder. I'll attach the link below just for you to check it out. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe below. Once again, my name is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you enjoy reading smutty comedy romance, please check it out. It is available at Apple iTunes, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and other retailers. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye, my lovelies.